Assalamu alaikum. This is Saida Fatima from Track Law. I'm the founder and CEO of Track Law, and today we are going to talk about general scams that happen in the market. We are an authentic and very much authentic legal firm that has been working since about 10 years. Now, we are talking about those agents, and definitely I'm not going to take any names. However, there are a lot of agents in the market who might just give you that feeling that they're the perfect deal when it comes to immigration. You should not be fooled by that. हम लोगों की तरफ से आपको एक छोटी सी एडवाइस है. टुडे इज़ दैट डे जिसके अंदर हम आपको एक स्कैम अलर्ट देंगे. देयर आर लॉट ऑफ पीपल इन द मार्केट जो अपने आप को एजेंट्स कहते हैं और आपके साथ बहुत से डिफरेंट क्लीशेज यूज़ करते हैं, जिसमें से एक क्लीशे जो बहुत फ्रीक्वेंटली यूज़ होता है वो है डन बेसिस. नाउ डोंट बी फूल्ड बाय दैट सेंटेंस बिकॉज दैट डज नॉट एग्जिस्ट in the market. What you need to do is to actually authenticate and to make sure that all the information that you're getting from the agent or the person who is calling himself a legal authority should be giving you the right information, और उनसे वो सारी information लेने के बाद एक दफ़ा verify ज़रूर करवा लीजिए. When it comes to track law, of course, we are a legal identity and we make sure that you do not fall into the wrong hands. However, बहुत से ऐसे statements आपको सुनने को मिलेंगे मार्केट में, यानी कि done basis जैसे मैंने अभी कहा. इसके अलावा ऐसी बहुत सी चीज़ें कि 100% आपको जो है वो आपकी immigration हो जाएगी या आपका वीज़ा लग जाएगा. I think all of those things not really exist in the market. So what you should be doing is that keep a very close check. Even when it goes to agents, तो आप ये ज़रूर वेरीफाई कर लीजिए कि या तो एजेंट को आप खुद पर्सनली जानते हो. अगर आप उनको खुद पर्सनली नहीं भी जानते, सो व्हाट यू नीड टू डू इज़ टू वेरीफाई इन द मार्केट कि उनकी रेपुटेशन क्या है. अनदर ऑफ द थिंग्स दैट वी एक्चुअली टेल यू इज़ जनरल टर्मिनोलॉजीज और क्लीशेज के पीछे बिल्कुल मत जाइए. Usually what happens is that these terminologies fully destroy your future, और आपको जो timeline दी जाती है that is also fraudulent. So आप इन चीज़ों को बिल्कुल follow ना कीजिए, बल्कि in fact what we recommend to people is that कि आप उनसे 2-3 ऐसे सवाल पूछें जिससे आपको पता चल सके, यानी कि success stories किन लोगों के साथ. And then yes, wait here, you need to do this one little survey before you enter into an agent's office or a legal authority's office. And what is that? Is that talk to people जिनके cases वो already कर चुके हैं. Also look into this as an analysis. So naturally, if you're paying somebody a hefty amount, then you have to have the right kind of information before you step into just like that random offices. One last thing that most of the people do ask us as well is that please do let us know, or because the number is there on the screen, so you can let us know if you have any questions. And if the person who is dealing with you does not have the right answers, then you have to recheck. So until unless you don't know the person or the agent yourself in person, uske alawa logon pe trust is waqt na kijiye. FIA has also very strict compliances that they are following, and also they have been cutting short all of these lists and all these names in the market which are fraudulent. So take care of yourself before you leap into the darkness. Take care. Bye-bye.